Hi everyone! Naghahanap ka ba ng extra income sa halagang 3,000 pesos? Yes, 3,000 pesos. I have a good news for you. Yung company namin, naghahanap sila ng maraming affiliates member. This is our Live Good company business from USA. Live Good company business, nag-start siya last December 13, 2022. Live Good company business is our club membership, global online business, international business na meron siyang 232 countries sa buong mundo na nagpa-member dito sa company at nag-join.